Everyone is talking about the latest chatbots and image generators, but honestly, they're kind of missing the real story. One of the biggest investing opportunities of our lifetime is being built right now, but it's all happening behind the scenes. So in this explainer, we're going to look past all that hype and find the hidden engine of the AI revolution, the infrastructure where the real money is actually being made.
Okay, let me ask you a simple question to get us started. Back in the great gold rushes of the 19th century, who do you think really got rich? Was it the thousands of prospectors who were all hoping to strike it lucky?
Well, the answer is it wasn't the miners. The people who made the real, lasting fortunes, they were the ones selling the picks, the shovels, the dynamite, even the jeans. They sold the essential tools. And this analogy, it just applies perfectly to today's AI gold rush. The smart money isn't just on the AI apps, it's on the tools that make them all possible. And that brings us to the core idea for today. The picks and shovels of the AI revolution. They aren't just tools, they're something even more powerful. They're called choke points. And if you understand them, you hold the key to seeing where the real value is being created. So what is a choke point? Well, think of it as a critical bottleneck in the system. It's that one spot where this massive, overwhelming demand for something essential, like computing power or energy or memory, crashes right into a very, very limited supply. These bottlenecks, they control the pace of the entire AI industry, and the companies that control them, well, they have incredible power. All right, let's jump into our first critical choke point. And honestly, this is one that could grind the entire AI industry to a halt: energy. AI is unbelievably power hungry, and that's creating a massive bottleneck that I think is still widely underestimated. And look, this isn't some fringe idea. The experts are all saying it loud and clear. Energy is a fundamental roadblock. You can have the best, smartest AI model in the world, but if you don't have the electricity to run it, it's just useless code sitting on a server. I mean, just think about it for a second. A single high-end AI server can use as much electricity as a dozen homes. Now multiply that by millions. You can see how this is putting an absolutely incredible strain on our power grids, creating a huge challenge, but also a massive opportunity for the companies that provide those power and cooling solutions. And this right here, this is what that opportunity looks like in financial terms. Take a look at Vertiv. It's a company that specializes in data center power and cooling. Its stock is up 150% in just 6 months. This isn't hype, it's the market rewarding a company that is solving one of these critical choke points. Okay, now for our second choke point. This one's a little more technical, but it is just as critical. We're moving from the power plug on the wall to the actual components inside the